Hey there, my name is Yilla and I am a New York State licensed esthetician based in New York City, and I'm so excited to introduce the Peter Thomas Roth Goodbye Acne Complete Acne Treatment Gel. So a lot of the acne treatments that I've tried in the past, they're either really sticky, really tacky, heavy, or super drying on the skin. So in all my experience kind of like using acne treatment products, this one is super unique and nothing like I've ever tried before. What makes this formula really stand out from all the other acne treatments that I've used in the past on myself is that it has 2% salicylic acid in there, which actively helps to clear out breakouts and really reduce the look of enlarged pores. It has a 1% time-released encapsulated retinol. There's also a really cool 5% Oligopeptide-10 Complex, and I know it's a mouthful, but this peptide complex basically helps to make your skin look really purified. And there's also brightening vitamin C in there and really cooling, soothing aloe vera. Cover the entire affected area on clean skin with a thin layer 1 to 2 times daily or as needed, and then use SPF after daytime application.